In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make logo in Renderforest. We'll walk through the exact flow to go from a blank page to an AI-generated logo, keeping things simple and clear so you can follow along in real time. Start by heading to the Renderforest homepage. This is the main starting point where you'll find all of their creative tools. Once the page loads, look for the section or menu labeled AI Tools. It's typically placed prominently in the navigation so you can get to the smart generators without digging around. Give that a click to open the suite of AI features. Inside the AI Tools area, choose Logos. This takes you straight to the AI logo generator, designed to turn a short description into a set of visual concepts in just a few clicks. You'll see a prompt box waiting for your idea. Type your prompt into the box. Keep it clear and specific to guide the AI toward what you want. For example, you could write something like gaming logo with lion. If you have a preferred style or mood, you can include it right in the same prompt. Details like bold, modern, minimalist, vintage, or vibrant colors help the AI interpret your vision. A short, focused sentence or two works best. When your prompt looks good, click Generate Logo. The tool will process your description and produce concepts based on your input. Give it a moment to think. Behind the scenes, it's combining style cues, icon ideas, and typographic options to match your prompt. You'll then be directed to an editor that focuses on selecting styles. Here you can explore the options presented and see how different visual directions feel for your brand or project. This space is designed to make quick, visual decisions easier, so take a breath and look at what stands out. Notice how color, icon shape, and letter treatments change the tone. If the interface shows style variations, browse them to find the one that aligns with your idea. When you are ready to finalize and generate, click Do Magic. This step pulls everything together and creates the finished version based on your selections and initial prompt. It might take several minutes, so don't worry if it feels slow. That's normal for higher quality processing. Keep the tab open and let it complete. That's the full process. Open Renderforest, go to AI Tools, choose Logos, describe what you want, generate, explore styles in the editor, and then let the Do Magic button finalize it. Follow these steps and you'll have a polished AI-generated logo ready to use in just a few minutes.